this is Shalini with the next topic, linear equation. I hope you are watching my videos. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start with our first question. Father's age is 8 times his son's age. So let present age of son's present age be x. ठीक है, तो फादर का एज इज 8 टाइम्स हिज सन्स एज, तो फादर्स एज will be 8x. ठीक है, now 2 years ago father was 15 times as old as his son. So 2 years ago फादर का एज क्या था, सन का एज क्या होगा, x माइनस 2 सन का एज. ओके, और फादर का एज क्या होगा, अभी फादर का एज इज 8x, तो 2 years back 8x minus 2. Now the in question it's given कि 2 years back फादर का एज was 15 times सन का एज, तो फादर का एज 2 years back 8x minus 2 was 15 times his son's age x minus 2. So क्या होगा, now you have to solve it. 8x minus 2 is equal to 15x minus 30. Now okay, it means 8x minus 15x will be equal to 2 minus 30. Now 7x will be equal to 28. So x will be equal to 4. So present age of son is 4 years. So father का present age will be 8 into 4, 32. Okay, let's see our next question. Divide 120 into 2 parts such that, okay, so let x is the larger part. Okay, so another part will be 120 minus x. ठीक है, these are the 2 parts. Now the question given such that 3 times the larger part equal to 9 times the smaller part. So 3 times the larger part is equal to 9 times the smaller part. So 3 times, this is larger part, we have taken x, so 3 times x will be equal to 9 times this one, smaller part. So 3 3s are 9. So x will be equal to 3 into 120 minus 3x. x plus 3x will be equal to 3 into 120. 4x will be equal to 3 into 120. So 4, 30. So x will be equal to 90. Okay, so x is the larger part, that is 90. So smaller part will be 120 minus x. 120 minus 90, that is 30. So smaller part is 30 and larger part is 90. Next question. A man has some cows and ducks. If the number of heads is 70, so cows है and ducks. So numbers of head, so number of cow plus number of duck will be 70. So let number of cow is x. So number of ducks will be 70 minus x. ठीक है. Next, and the number of legs is 200. So how many legs cows have? 4 legs. So 4x, 4 legs plus ducks के 2 legs होते हैं. So 2 into 70 minus x will be equal to, how many legs are there? 200 legs. So now we have to solve this. 4x plus 140 minus 2x is equal to 200. So 4x minus 2x, 2x plus 140 is equal to 200. So 2x will be equal to 60. X will be equal to 30. Okay, so number of cows is, number of cows 30. Okay, so number of ducks will be 70 minus 30, that is 40. So next question, Ganesh earns ₹50 on the first day. So ₹50 on the first day Ganesh earns, and the second day he spends ₹20. So he spends ₹20. Okay. So फर्स्ट डे पे वो ₹50 अर्न कर रहा है, सेकेंड डे पे वो ₹20 स्पेंड कर रहा है. If he continues to earn, find the day in which he has ₹170 in hand. So वो 2 days में, in 2 days वो कितना अर्न कर रहा है, टोटल उसके पास पैसे कितने रह रहे हैं, 50 माइनस 20, उसके पास टोटल पैसे ₹30 रह रहे हैं, ₹30 he is having after 2 days. So he will continue this for 8 days. So 8 days के लिए क्या होंगे, 30 after 8 days he will be having 30 into 4 because 2 days, how many 2 days are there, कितने 2 days आएंगे, 8 days में there will be 4 2 days. Okay, so he'll earn ₹120, rupees 120. Okay, on 8th day. Now on 9th day when he'll earn ₹50, जैसे ही वो ₹50 अर्न करेगा उसके पास टोटल कितना हो जाएगा, 120 plus 50. So on 9th day he'll get, let's see the next question. When Mr. Akash was 40 years, his daughter was 7 years old. ठीक है. When daughter was 2 years old, his son was 5 years old. ठीक है. So simply when daughter was 2 years old, son was 5 years old. मतलब 3 years का difference है. So when daughter is 7 years old, son will be 10 years old and father is 40 years old. Now what you have to find out? We have to find out the sum of three present ages in year. And the present age of Mr. Akash is thrice the son's age. So let the age of son is x. ठीक है. So his age will be thrice 3x. Now 3x minus x will be 30 because you can see the difference between the ages of Mr. Akash and son. The difference is 30. So 3x minus x is 30. So x will be 15. Okay. So present age of son is 15 years. So Mr. Akash का age क्या होगा? Age will be 30 plus 15, that is 45. Now तीनों के age का sum निकालना है. We have to find out the sum of all the 3 ages. So Mr. Akash का age is 45, son's age is 15. तो daughter का age क्या होगा? 12 years. Okay, the total will be 72. So next question, Uma has 60 currency notes. Okay, so in which some notes are of denomination ₹100 and remaining are of ₹500. The total currency note 60 है. Okay, so let the ₹500 note be x. Let ₹500 note be x. ठीक है. So ₹100 के नोट जो है, ₹100 नोट will be 60 minus x होगा. Now क्या है, the total amount of these currency notes is 10,000. Now तो total जो है currency note के वो 10,000 है. So ₹500 के x नोट है, तो ₹500 के x नोट प्लस ₹100 के 60 minus x notes, तो total amount is 10,000. ठीक है. Now we have to solve this. 500x minus 100x plus 6,000 is equal to 10,000. Okay. So 400x is equal to 10,000 minus 6,000 will be 4,000. Okay. So x will be 10. ठीक है. तो x क्या था हमारा? That is ₹500 नोट. तो कितने ₹500 नोट थे? ₹500 नोट जो थे, ₹500 के नोट जो थे वो 10 थे. तो रेस्ट इज 100 रुपीज के नोट. 100 रुपीज के नोट कितने थे? 50. ओके. Next question. A certain amount was distributed among 20 boys. So let the amount is x. Okay. So it is distributed among 20 boys. Okay. And each of them received 100 rupees more. मतलब 100 rupees more they received. So when we are when we subtract 100, so we'll get the amount when the same amount is distributed equally between 25 boys. So 25 boys के बीच डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ तो जितना मिला उससे 100 रुपीज ज्यादा मिला when it is distributed between among 20 boys. Okay. So x upon 20 minus x upon 25 will be equal to 100. So 5x upon 100 minus 4x upon 100. Okay, तो हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं now. So x upon 100 is equal to 100. So x will be equal to 10,000. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.